Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make oat cookies in microwave. Start by mashing a ripe banana and stirring in 1 cup oats, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, and 1 tsp vanilla. Portion dough onto a plate, flatten to 3.5 inches, microwave for 60 to 90 seconds until set, then cool. Feel free to add chocolate chips or cinnamon for flavor, and store cooled cookies in an airtight container. Enjoy warm with tea. Gather simple ingredients: 1 cup oats, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 tsp vanilla, and optional add-ins like chocolate chips or nuts. Combine in a bowl and adjust sweetness with a drizzle of honey if desired. If mixture is too dry, add a splash of milk. If too wet, add a tablespoon more oats. Use a fork to mix evenly, then portion and microwave as directed for soft, chewy oat cookies. Keep cookies chewy by using rolled oats and avoiding overcooking, as microwave times vary by wattage. For a crisp edge, try pressing thinner and adding 1 tsp coconut oil. Flavor variations include cinnamon and raisins, cocoa and peanut butter, or a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. For vegan swaps, use almond butter and maple syrup, and chill dough briefly if it spreads too much during cooking. Serve with yogurt or coffee for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.